Hi guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. With Disney Pixar's new Wreck-It Ralph 2 movie coming out in theaters soon, we thought it would be super fun to share a nail art design inspired by it.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For today's design, you'll want to paint your middle and ring fingers a light blue and all of your other nails a medium blue. For the first nail, we'll be painting a Wi-Fi icon over top of a circuit board pattern. To make the circuit board, use light blue polish to make some thin, angular lines on the nail. Once you've finished with the background, use white paint or polish to make a Wi-Fi icon in the center of the nail. On the second nail, we'll be painting Vanellope. Use the brush from a polish bottle to make a beige oval at the tip of the nail. Once that's dry, use black to make her hair. Use pink to make a hair tie on the left side of her head, and then use black to add the ponytail. Use white to make some dots in her hair, and then fill them in with some bright colors. The third nail is Ralph. Make a beige oval again, but this time have it flare out a bit near the tip of the nail. Use a light brown to add the hair. Don't worry too much about making smooth lines for this part. Messier edges make the hair look more realistic. Add some shading with a medium brown. Start near the hairline and drag the brush outwards toward the edge so that the color fades out near the tips. Go over the hair one more time with a dark brown, again concentrating on the hairline. The fourth nail is a cursor over the same circuit board pattern from the first nail. Use light blue to make the background pattern. Cap some of the lines with dots. Use the base color to correct your lines as needed. Use white to make the cursor. Outline the cursor in black. The last design is a Wreck-It Ralph app. To start off, you'll want to make the circuit board pattern that you did for the previous nail. Use a dark red to make a square with rounded corners in the center of the nail. If the square isn't big enough the first time, just keep adding to it until you think it looks right. Make a white circle in the upper right-hand corner of the square and then fill it in with a light red. Use white to write Ralph in the square. Add the number 2 inside of the red circle. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which character from Wreck-It Ralph is your favorite. You can watch more videos on cutepolish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.